Let us define a piecewise function by f of x is equal to x squared minus 6 for x less than 0 and 10 minus x for x greater or equal to 0. So first of all, we sketch the graph of x squared minus 6 by finding the x-intercept. So x squared minus 6 is equal to 0, so that x squared is equal to 6 and x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 6. The x-intercept are negative root 6 and positive root 6. Now the y-intercept, x is 0, so we have y is equal to 0 minus 6, which is equal to negative 6. So we have negative 6 here. So this is a quadratic function, so we just connect this point and that, so which is that curve there. Okay. Now observe that we are not going to include the right part of this graph because the graph moves from 0 to negative infinity. Now the second graph is the graph of y is equal to 10 minus x. So when x is 0, y is equal to 10, and when y is 0, x is equal to 10. So we just connect this point from 0 to positive infinity. Part B, find the values of b for which f of b is equal to 43. So we equate the function to 43. The first part is x squared minus 6, which is equal to 43. So we just solve for x, which is x is equal to plus or minus 7. The second part of the function is 10 minus x, which is equal to 43. Then solving for x is equal to negative 33. Determine the values in the domain that get mapped to themselves in the range. So these in mathematical terms are called fixed functions. Now this is how a fixed function works. For every input of the function, the output is the exact input, which is f of x is equal to x. So we equate the first part of the function, which is x squared minus 6 is equal to x, so that x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then solving for x, we have x is 3 and x is negative 2. Now the second part of the function, 10 minus x is equal to x, so that 2x is equal to 10, which implies x is equal to 5.